Today we're going to be talking about 3 ways you can incorporate more protein into your smoothies. So the first way you can incorporate more protein into your smoothies is by using a plant milk. So the one that I like to use mostly, and I generally love them all from almond to rice milk to soy milk, I tend to use this one because this one is very creamy, and I like to use the unsweetened. This is the Silk Organic Soy unsweetened, and I like this one because it's super versatile. I can use this for recipes, and I can also add it to smoothies and add it to other different types of drinks to give it a creamy texture and also add more protein. The second thing I like to do to add more protein is I like to add this mix of chia seed, flax seed, and hemp seeds. This adds a lot of protein, and I will give you a link in the description box below of the way that I make this. It's 3 different seeds together so that it's very easy for you to just go ahead and add it to your smoothies instead of trying to take out all 3 of those packages every time. The third thing I like to do to add more protein to my smoothie is I like this Garden of Life Raw Fit. This one has been my favorite for a long time. I do like to try other ones, but I tend to always go back to this one. I feel like I get most of the bang for my buck, so to speak, with this one. It has so many different vitamins in it. I'll leave some information below for you so you can check it out, but it has less than a gram of sugar, which is awesome. It has 8 grams of fiber, 28 grams of protein per serving, and it's only 170 calories. So it's really great for weight loss because it satisfies your hunger and makes you stay full longer. It helps you fight cravings. This is a berry smoothie I just whipped up. It has blueberries, strawberries. It has half of a scooper of this protein shake, and I added about a half a cup of this soy milk, and then the rest was spring water, and it's very creamy, very delicious. So this is a recipe that you guys can try. And as far as adding the protein, you can add one of these things to your protein shake, or you can add all 3, or you can add 2 of them. It all depends on what you're looking for in terms of how much protein you want to add and how thick and hearty you want your protein shake to be. So these are the 3 ways I like to add protein to my diet. I'll see you guys in the next video. Check out the links in the description box below. Bye.